In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color in Adobe Express. Color is one of the quickest ways to set the tone of your design, highlight what matters, and keep your visuals consistent. With your project open, start by selecting the exact element you want to color. This could be text, a shape, an icon, or even the background. Click directly on it in the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. If you're coloring the background, click the canvas area outside other objects to target the background layer. Taking a moment to confirm the right selection saves you from recoloring the wrong thing. Once your element is selected, look to the right-hand panel and click Color. This panel is your control center for changing the look of the element you've chosen. It's context-aware, so if you selected text, you'll be adjusting the text color. If it's a shape or icon, you'll be changing its fill color. And if it's the background, you'll be applying color across the entire canvas. Now choose how you want to color it. For a quick, cohesive result, pick a preset color. Presets are great when you want speed and a harmonious palette without second-guessing. If you want a precise match or a unique shade, click Custom to open the color wheel. Drag around the wheel to set the hue, and move within the square to fine-tune saturation and brightness. As you experiment, watch the live preview on your canvas so you can see exactly how the color affects your design in real time. Small tweaks can make a big difference, especially with text and iconography. If you'd like the color to be see-through, adjust the opacity. Lowering the opacity makes the element semi-transparent, which is perfect for overlays, soft highlights, and layering effects. For example, a semi-transparent shape can soften a busy photo behind it, making any text on top easier to read. Keep accessibility in mind. Strong contrast helps text stand out, while subtle transparency can add depth without sacrificing clarity. A couple of quick tips as you refine your colors. Aim for consistency across related elements to create a polished look, and check your design at full size and smaller sizes to make sure your choices remain readable. If something doesn't look right, simply reselect the element and try a different preset or make another custom adjustment. That's it. Select your element, open the color panel, choose a preset or customize with the color wheel, and fine-tune the opacity if you want a transparent effect. With these tools, you can confidently shape the mood and hierarchy of your design in Adobe Express.